So today I'm going to show you how to use the adjustable zipper foot with your sewing machine. And I'm making just a cute little coin pouch out of an old quilt remnant that I have. And this is a good way if you've got leftover quilt remnants or some old quilts that you've been cutting up. This is a cute little project. Anyway, so I have my zipper. I think it's a 7-inch zipper. I have it face down on the quilt remnant, and I've got some clever clips holding it into place. I have positioned my zipper and my quilt remnant underneath the zipper foot. I'm going to test it to make sure the needle's not going to hit it, and it looks like it's in a great spot. And now I'm going to sew.